Well, this isn't right. Right spot, right time. Even with a time travel intent, I'm here a little later than I wanted to be, so it's already lunchtime. Today lunch is chana masala. That's not too bad. Real strong flavors of the turmeric and ginger. It's especially the ginger, I taste quite a bit. Not bad. Not exactly my cup of tea. I'm not sure I'd get this one again. Tonight's drink is going to be a mead made by Savannah Bee Company. It's a black raspberry, 8%. Really doesn't taste like a mead, it tastes more like a red wine. It's not very sweet, doesn't taste like blackberries, the fruit, but yeah, it tastes just like wine. Cheers. I know this adventure wasn't so adventure-y, so if you made it this far, thank you, I appreciate it.